Hi friends, if you are getting an error while doing the window backup and the error code is 800700E1, then in this video I am going to tell you a few methods which can be really useful to resolve this error. If you find this video useful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. And also press the bell icon so that you will get the every future update in this channel. Also, this error occurs because of an corrupt file or a virus. So our complete method will be based on resolving this problem. So the first method is we will scan your system and remove all the corrupt file. For that, go to the settings and then go to the update and security. So by removing the corrupt file, this error may gone. So we have to go to the Windows securities in update and security option and then go to the virus and threat protection. Here we will get the scan option. So once this window will get open, go to the scan option and then choose for the full scan. So it will scan all the files and all the program running in our hard disk and select and get all the corrupt file. We have to remove that file and then check that this error is coming or not. So this is the first method. So the second method is use of the exclusion list. So the file which is causing an issue may not be a corrupt file, but our system is considering it as a threat. So we can put it on the exclusion list so that when the scan will happen, it will not be come under the scan and it will not cause the problem. So for the exclusion list, we have to again go to the Windows security window. Once you come to the Windows security window, go to the manage setting under virus and threat protection setting. Go to the manage setting. And here you will scroll down and find exclusion list. So here you can add your file and folder which is causing the issue under the list of the exclusion, so that when the scan will happen, this folder and file will not be come into the consideration. So here I am putting the Visual Studio 2019 under that file, under that exclusion list. So whenever the scan will happen, this will not be come under the scan. So this might help us to resolve this error. So once you put in the file in the exclusion list, then check that while backupping you are getting the error or not. The third method is disable the window defender. For that, again go to settings and in settings go to update and security. Once you get into update and security, you again have to go to Windows security and open the virus and threat protection. So it will open the Windows securities option. Here you have to go to the virus and threat protection setting and switch off this real-time protection. So once you off this, your window defender will get disabled in your system. Once the Windows defender get disabled, now try to take the backup of your window and then check that this error 800700 is coming or not. If it is still coming, then you have to go to the next method. So the final and the last method is use of the SFC and DISM window utilities to remove the corrupt file. For that, open the command prompt and run it as administrator. Once you open the command prompt, you have to type this command sfc/scan now. This command will scan your system and search for any corrupt file in your system. I have also put this command in the description. So this will start the system scan. Wait till the scan is going on. This scan will take little much of time. Here you can see we have done the 4% verification. I am moving it forward from here to the final stage where how it will look when the complete scan will done. So you can see for my system there is no corrupt file, but for your system, if you find any corrupt file, what you have to do, you have to remove that corrupt file and then exit the command prompt and go to the power button and reboot your system. Once you restart your system and system get restarted, then you have to use the DISM tool. For that, go to the command prompt and again run it as administrator. And then you have to type one command. The command is this: DSM online cleanup image restore health. This command will restore any file which is important and due to corruption it get removed. So it will restore all the file. For that, make sure that you have better internet connectivity so that it will again restore all the important file in your system. So this will end like this, and you will get a message once the 100% restore completed. The message would be like this. Wait till the message is getting appear. It take little time, and here this message you will get, the restore operation completed successfully. After that, exit this and try to take up the backup of your window and check that still you are getting that error or not. So these are the methods which can be helpful to resolve you the error 800700E1. If you find any of this method useful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. And also press the bell icon so that you will get the future update. Thanks for watching.